How to check if your TikTok account is private or public. Here's how to find out in just a few seconds. First, open the TikTok app and tap Profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Go to Visibility section. From there, tap Private Account. If the toggle is turned on, your TikTok account is private. This means only people you approve can follow you and watch your videos. If the toggle is turned off, your account is public, which means anyone on TikTok can view your content, depending on your individual video settings. If you're trying to grow your audience and reach more people, you'll typically want your account to remain public. Keep in mind that business accounts cannot be set to private. If you're using a TikTok business account, your profile will always be public. That's it. Now you know how to check whether your TikTok account is private or public, and how to change the setting whenever you want. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tutorials.